Good morning, children, from the Orbis School. Now, children, do you remember we have done one pattern, and before that pattern, I had told you a short little story. Do you remember which pattern that was? Right, that was slanting line. And I had also given you some home fun activity to do. Right, I had given you one home fun activity that you had to draw a picture using only slanting lines. I hope you've done it. Great. And also, children, in your pencil time strokes and curves book, I had asked you to do the pages of slanting line. Yes, so which type of slanting line did we do? We did two slanting lines, right? One is the right slanting line and one is the left slanting line. That's right. Now today, children, we are going to do the slanting lines but in the 4-line book. In the 4-line book. So in this book, there will be one red line on top, then the first blue line, the second blue line, and then the second red line. Okay, now I will show you what I just told you, and also, children, I will show you how you are going to write the slanting lines in the red and blue lines. Parents, please help the child to remove the pencil time strokes and curves book and keep ready. Children, now let's write the slanting lines in the 4 lines book. Can you see the lines, children? Red line, first red line, first blue line, second blue line, and second red line. Okay, so let's write the slanting lines. So the first slanting line that we will learn to write is the line that starts from the blue line and goes all the way up to the red line. See, can you see we've made a slanting line? Again, start from the bottom blue line and go slanting line to the top red line. Slanting line. Say it, children. Start from the bottom blue line and go slanting line up to the blue line. Again, start from the bottom blue line and go up to the red line. Slanting line. Which line are we writing? Slanting line. So this slanting line starts from the bottom blue line and goes up to the red line. Can you see? It starts from the blue line and it goes up to the red line. So which line is this, children? Slanting line. Now let's write the other slanting line. So this slanting line, children, it starts from the red line and goes slanting line down to the blue line. See, start from the red line on top and slanting line touch the second blue line. Okay, children? So this is the other slanting line starting from the top red line and going down to the second blue line. Slanting line. Again, starting from the red line and going and touching the second blue line. Slanting line. Again, one more time. Start from the top red line and touch the second blue line. Slanting line. So children, we've learned 2 slanting lines. One slanting line that goes from red line to blue line, like how we have written, and the other slanting line I'm writing over here, look, that goes from the blue line up to the red line. Okay, children?